In this video, we will learn about the different types of operators in Excel 365 and how they are used. Operators in Excel are symbols or characters that perform specific actions within formulas. They allow us to perform calculations, comparisons, and text operations efficiently in a spreadsheet. There are four main groups of operators in Excel. The first group includes basic arithmetic operators. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. These are the fundamental operations we use when we want to perform mathematical calculations in Excel cells. For example, we use the plus sign for addition, the minus sign for subtraction, the asterisk for multiplication, the forward slash for division, and the caret symbol for exponentiation. These allow us to build formulas that calculate numerical results automatically. The second group of operators is the comparison operators. These include greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. These operators are essential when we need to compare values in Excel, for example, to check whether one cell's value is larger or smaller than another. They are commonly used in logical functions such as if statements, where decisions are made based on the result of a comparison. Next is the group of text concatenation operators. To join two text values together in Excel, we use the ampersand symbol. This allows us to combine words, phrases, or cell contents into one continuous string. It's very useful for creating full names, sentences, or custom messages within a cell by joining separate text inputs. Lastly, there are reference operators such as the colon symbol. This operator is used to refer to a range of cells in Excel. For example, using A1, A5 refers to all the cells from A1 to A5. This is useful when performing operations like summing a list of values across multiple cells. Each of these operators plays an important role in working effectively with Excel. Understanding how to use them correctly ensures your formulas behave as expected and your spreadsheets function properly.